If you want delicious pour-over coffee at home or out in the wilderness, then you should try this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's pour-over coffee, and it's Honduran. Twin Peaks is the brand. It was also a very good show. One of my favorite restaurants. Now, I've actually opened this up because I was taking a peek inside, so you can actually tear off this whole front portion here, and so you can have the box as like a little dispenser, because what you get here are these individual packets, about 10 of them, and you can just tear open one of these anytime you want. Delicious hot coffee, and you get a little coffee pouch right in here. So kind of looks like a tea bag, just a little filter bag, and what happens is we've got these little paper wings that fold out like this, and so those will suspend the bag on the side of your coffee cup, and then on the top here you can see it says open, and you will just tear that off. Ooh, so satisfying. And now what you have is a little coffee bag where you can pour in the hot water and have pour over hand dripped coffee anywhere. Let's try it. So it just goes over like that. Doesn't need to be super secure, because once this is done then you'll just remove that, but I've gone ahead and boiled up a hot pot of water here. Just pour that in. See, it fills up. Ooh, look at that. Coffee's seeping through there. That smells good. That smells like a fresh cup of coffee. Now, for me, I use all types of coffee. In fact, I'll use instant coffee in the morning at home sometimes just to get me going, and there's some pretty good instant coffees. But what something like this allows you to do is actually have a gourmet, fresh, brewed cup of coffee quickly, easily, and anywhere. So I could see you using this at home for a quick, convenient cup. I mean, it's only going to take a couple minutes to go ahead and make your coffee here. But like I said, camping, at a hotel, maybe you're on a work trip, take a bunch of these with you, and this way you're never leaving behind a high quality cup of coffee. Kind of got it done here. I'm just going to pull this out, and now I know this Twin Peaks pour over coffee is convenient, but we have to see if it's any good. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's just a cup of black Honduran coffee, but not dressed up with any cream or sugar, honey, peppermint, cinnamon sticks, caramel, milk, whipped cream, or any of that other stuff that you might get at your local coffee place. It's just a cup of black coffee, and it's hot and delicious, and it's fresh, so that's pretty good. So, Twin Peaks, making it easy to take a delicious gourmet cup of coffee with me anywhere I go. You can certainly take your own grinder and grind your beans on the trail, but if you're looking for something that'll give you a fresh cup of coffee in a convenient, carryable package, you should check this out. It just might make your outdoor adventure a little bit better. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.